What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. I'm going to do more live and just one file without editing installations at the DCC Train live channel. So today is Lemaco, and I need to figure out if it's enough room for the sound decoder and speaker. Not everyday item, but let's see. This is right now kind of unboxing therapy. Nice stuff. Okay, kind of. Oh yes, very nice. Oh, I have good set as well. Lemaco certificate from 2006, 2005. There we go. Nice packaging. Okay, so let's see. I always want to investigate what's small detail parts. Actually, looks like some extra parts. Okay. All right. Now let's do it this way, one at a time. All right. I think I can do sound, but just to be on the safe side. There we go. There we go. Oh. Oh, so good. All right. Let's put this away. Tender. Tender is interesting contacts. Details. Unbelievable. All right. Let's deal with the tender. I just don't want to squeeze it too much. Oh yeah, this way. Better. Very light. Interesting. So that maybe tells me some extra room. Oh, upside down. I see. I see. Oh, okay. Lights. Definitely changing with LEDs. Yeah, I'm not seeing any issues to install good sound. So here we go. Put this way here. This stuff is very cool. Oh, very cool. This looks like, let me zoom a little bit more. Real coal. Interesting, that thing, cool. Look at the super nice details. All right. Definitely needs uninterrupted power supply module, right? I'm not mentioning any brands at this point. Need to make decision, but it's good. Extra stuff, probably going, yeah, I think I saw few parts. I see. It's probably extra. One contact. Oh no, it's just locking mechanism. This just locks with that, and just another pickup. Cool, but I need a remodel for maybe micro plug can do. So yeah, need a lot of thinking how to do it. Here we go, that's for thumbnail. Oh, beautiful. So nice. All right, guys, DCC Train Live link in the description, and I'll put also comment to the live channel. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye-bye.